activity.
Good. My name is Hanvika. I'm Mango. My name is Himansh. India. My CF is Georgia. My name is Kavesi. My name is Pooja. Chacha. My name is Sandy.
Kshetra.
Shetnagna. My name is Surya Dadda. My name is Lavesh. Maya. My name is Vinay Maya. My name is Marshi Rala. My name is Roxy Maya. My name is Ranvita Sri Maya. My name is Gaganshri Yaya. Jaja. My name is Bharata Chacha. My name is Sandy Sri Maya.
Shesha.
My name is Satvik Baba. My name is Sadvik. My name is Rishi. My name is Trinity Imali Tamarin. My name is Himanraj Napa. My name is Rudranj. My name is Baba. My name is Sankam Kartik Tatta. My name is Tejeshwar Anna. My name is Abhishek Baba. My name is Sivadan Chala.
Children,
Good morning, madam.
how are you all?
I am fine, madam.
Now we are doing a Telugu letters activity. Are you ready?
Ready.
First, Shenvita. Where is the ma letter?
Ma.
Very good. Next, Jashrita. O. Next, Dharani. Pa. Next, Anvita. Ta. Darshini. Ba. Next, Srigamana. Ana. Bhavika. Da. Sai Pallavi. U. Very good. Next, Anabia. Ra. Very good. Claps.
Good morning to all. My name is Ayan. Math activity shapes.
Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Circle. Triangle. Rectangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. Triangle. Circle. Rectangle. triangle, circle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, 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 rectangle, rectangle, triangle, out, rectangle, circle, 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 rectangle, triangle, 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 circle, rectangle, circle out. Touch your eyes, touch your nose, touch your teeth, touch your tongue, touch your ears, touch your cheeks, touch your neck, touch your shoulder, touch your arm, touch your hands, touch your stomach, touch your knees, touch your legs, and bring that bottle.